guys, it's been 2 days since I was last here. The last time I was here, I wasn't sure whether I was gonna do my nails or my hair, but as you can see, I did my nails. How do you guys like them? Because I didn't have enough time to do my hair. It was a bit late. So guys, this morning it's a chilly morning and I'm actually on my way to Gikomba. I'm planning to go get a few warm items. I'm planning to get some trench, some jackets. I am looking to get a pair of boots. I will let you know where I got each item. So let's go.
One's a company, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like fresh when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, catch some pillows in the Chevy.
So guys, this is where they sell trench coats. The ones that are hanged were going for 200 bob each, and the ones that I'm touching right now are going for 50 bob each. I got one from up, one from down. I actually showed you guys along the video what I got, so make sure to watch till the end.
Open for plans tonight. Lost in the afterglow. Oh, girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Lord, give me life to find. I long for your company. Oh, girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology. Yeah,
As you can see, all these are very beautiful, classy, and highly affordable pieces. Actually, I could have gotten a bunch of them, but now the difference is I was on a very tight budget. Hi guys, how are you doing today? It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon and I'm a bit excited. Though it's a bit chilly, the day looks bright. So guys, tuliachana yesterday nikienda Gikomba kutafuta a few items for this cold weather. I know it's affecting all of us. So guys, now I found a few sweaters. I found a trench coat. I found some jackets. So now I'm gonna show you a snippet of a few items I got, though I am planning to show you guys all of them in the next video, which make sure you watch so you see all the items that I got. So guys, the first item I got is this trench. I like the color, it's bright. It has pockets. It's way longer. It's past my knees. I honestly don't know how I'm going to show you. I don't know how, but I really like it. Let me show you another item. So this is a sweater. Let me rock it for you guys. I equally like the color. I got it at 50 bob. And it has pockets. I equally liked it. So now, I really hope you guys enjoyed my snippet. The rest of the items I'll show you in my next video. So now, I think it's about that time I explained to you guys where exactly I got this sweater and the trench. So now, I'll explain to you in 2 ways. And I'm explaining to you hoping unatoka Tao CBD. If you're looking for sweaters or trench coats for this cold weather, and it's your very first time to go to Gikomba, first things first, utashuka Tao, then you go to Luduli Avenue. Luduli Avenue is off Tomboya Street, Upper Archives. When you get to Luduli Avenue, ask for matatu za kwenda Gikomba zinapandiwa wapi. So now, when you'll pay 50 bob, hadi Gikomba. And so, mali yenye utashukishwa Gikomba, I want you to use that main entrance. And that same entrance ni mahali when you're done with Gikomba and you want to board a matatu. Hapo ndo zinachukuliwa. So, I'm talking about the main entrance yenye matatu za kwenda Tao zinachukuliwa. I hope you get that part. I'm telling you this just in case when you're lost, you can easily ask, matatu za kwenda Tao zinapandiwa wapi? Hapo. Now, that entrance, hapo ndio unaingilia. So now, ukiingia, I want you to go straight down. A distance of like, I can't tell you timing because traffic Gikomba is a lot of work. You may find kuna traffic, you may find kuna traffic. But I want you to go down straight hadi utafika mahali utapata njia moja inaenda hivi, iko straight hivi. You'll find a left side and a right side. On your left side utapata hapo kuna uzwa belts on the left side. On the right side kunauzwa t-shirts. Mbele yako kunauzwa fruits. So now ukiwa hapo, I want you to take your right side. And this right side itakupeleka mahali nilinunua these sweaters. So ukifika on your right side, go straight. Here right side ni ile yenye inakupeleka a very popular place in Gikomba yenye inaitwa Bridge. So ukifika kwa hiyo junction, just to confirm whether you're on the right track, ask hao watu wanauza t-shirts hapo, hii njia ndio inaenda kwa Bridge. If they tell you yes, you're on the right track. Go straight down. Ukifika ukienda straight, utapata another junction. So your junction unateremka hivi, you're on the uko hapa kwa saizi, uko hapa kwa junction, you're going down. So now ukienda down, you'll find another njia zinashikana sasa zinateremka kwa Bridge. Wewe unakuja hivi, mwingine anatoka juu, mnaenda nyote kwa Bridge. So ukifika hapo sasa ya side ya kwenda Bridge hapo sasa enda juu. Uliza hapo top sweta zinauzwa wapi. Ukiwa hapo utaona pia jackets zikiuzwa, jackets kama za leather hivi. Yeah. Ukiwa tu around hapo, kwa hiyo junction inaenda, mnashikana na mtu anatoka hii side nyingine na wewe mshikane mwende Bridge. Hapo uliza hapo mali kunauzwa sweaters, utapata hapo. So nimekuelezea hiyo kwa sababu nimekupeleka using the main roads. Manake nikikwambia uingie na vichochoro, kila mtu akona kichochoro yake, but the roads have explained to you are main roads. You just go and you get to the place. Now I want to explain to you where I got the trench coats. So now let's assume unatoka na njia ya Kamukunji. I'm assuming ulitembea kutoka Tao hadi Kamukunji hadi Gikomba is not far. From Equity, I think we all know Equity, pale Gikomba. Ukiwa Equity, go straight down. Ukiwa around hapo, mali kuna uzwa iko tu an open soko. Haina vibanda sasa. Ukiwa tu the first entrance ya Gikomba, mahali hakuna nini, hakuna vibanda. Ask for njia yenye soko ya chakula. Hiyo soko ya chakula ni njia bado. Na alafu bado kuwa kunauzwa makuku. Unaweza uliza mtu kwa makuku ni wapi. Ukiwa around hapo, trust you me, hiyo njia ndio inaweza kwa kuku. Na hapo hiyo njia bado ndio inaweza kwa fruits, just chakula, nyanya, vitunguu, kunauzwa hadi nyuzi, kunauzwa vitu za kushona. Hiyo njia, fuata hiyo njia straight down. Utafika junction yenye kuna mtu anachoma mahindi na bado kuna M-Pesa hapo. I'm telling you this keyword because those people are ever there. Bora tu umeingia kwa hiyo njia inauza makuku, uende straight, ulize tu around hapo mtu anachoma mahindi hapa around, na kuna M-Pesa hapo, na hiyo junction ni ya kwenda bridge. You'll get to that place. So now ukiwa kwa hiyo mtu anachoma mahindi, hapo ndio nilinunua hizo trench coat. Ukiwa tu hapo hiyo mtu anauza mahindi, ziko tu hapo mbele yako. That's where I got them. Pia hiyo I have explained to you guys using the main roads. I didn't use any kichochoro. If you follow the route I have showed you. And with this one I have used all the keywords. Equity Bank, soko ya chakula, kuuza makuku, mtu anachoma mahindi, M-Pesa. Trust you me, if you use those keywords, utafika mahali unaenda kununua trench coats at a very affordable price. I even got another one for 50 bob actually. So I'll show you the rest in the next video. So guys, I hope you get to Gikomba safely. And I didn't show you like I ought to explain to you, because the reasons why I couldn't film working. First of all, security for my gadget. Secondly, filming in Gikomba makes no sense because every other chum looks the same. So so I have to explain to you, and I hope umelielewa. So guys, that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to watch my next video where I show you all the items I got, and also be keen to watch all other videos that are upcoming. Please don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye guys.